Here we go, cooking in the truck again. Cooking some rice noodle, 2-quart saucepan, and then I'm gonna saute some asparagus that I had left over, some fire roasted diced tomatoes with garlic, and white crab meat with a can of Campbell's golden mushroom. That's going to be heated up in the microwave. This is going to be stir fried, and always make sure that the cab is well ventilated. So I'll let you know how it turns out. Crab meat's added to the mix. Soup's heated up in the microwave. I don't know if I can pour that in there one-handed or not. Give me just a second. That, I'm pretty sure, will feed 2 people. That makes it just enough for me to have. Oh yeah, and I clean my pots and pans by wiping them out with a paper towel, getting them as clean as I can, and boiling water in them. And any leftover from a can, like that can of tomato, I just put it in a Ziploc bag, suck the air out of it, put it in the refrigerator, save it for later, use it in other meals.